My name is Willem Boom, and I serve as the Vice President of Partner Solutions for Totara Learning in the Americas. My focus includes building our partner relationships in the region, including Brazil. Totara Learning builds and maintains the Totara LMS and Totara social solutions that are geared toward use in commercial and government organizations. Our solutions are open source and available via subscription. We sell these solutions exclusively via a partner network globally. For more information, please visit totaralearning.com. Fábrica de Cursos is our partner in Brazil. We are super impressed with the team at Fábrica because they demonstrate a very thorough and professional approach to providing their clients with the best possible learning technology solutions. Our team collaborates with Fábrica de Cursos on various levels, and the team at Fábrica is responsible for providing translations required to have our solutions available in Brazilian Portuguese. Fábrica de Cursos is the best company to provide our solutions in Brazil with excellence and superior support. Thank you for listening.